How does a space pen work? The space pen is a remarkable writing instrument that has captured imaginations and made appearances in pop culture. Let's delve into how it works. 1. Pressurized ink cartridge. Unlike regular ballpoint pens, the space pen uses a pressurized ink cartridge. The cartridge is inflated with nitrogen gas at a pressure of 35 pounds per square inch. This pressure pushes the ink toward the tungsten carbide ball at the pen's tip. 2. Unique ink. The ink in a space pen is different from what you'd find in typical pens. It's highly viscous when static, which means you need to shake it vigorously or apply intense pressure for it to flow. This property allows it to withstand gravity, making it ideal for use in space. 3. Thixotropic ink. To prevent leaks caused by the pressure, the inventor, Paul Fisher, added resin to the ink. This made it thixotropic, meaning it remains almost solid until friction with the ball at the pen's tip liquefies it. The result was the AG7 Space Pen, designed specifically for anti-gravity conditions. 4. Versatility. The space pen can write without relying on gravity. It works at any angle, whether you're floating in space or standing on Earth. It functions in extreme temperatures, ranging from 34 Celsius to 121 Celsius, which is approximately 29 Fahrenheit to 250 Fahrenheit. Plus, it can write underwater and even on wet or greasy paper. 5. NASA testing. While the Fisher Pen Company was already working on a pressurized pen, NASA's interest spurred further development. The agency extensively tested the pens, ensuring they worked in all positions, extreme temperatures, and various atmospheres. These pens could draw a solid line more than 3 miles long, far exceeding NASA's ink requirement of half a kilometer. So, the space pen isn't just a myth, it's a real innovation that has left its mark both in space and on Earth.